Hello everyone, this is Defense Politics Asia and a quick update over at the situation at the Pokrovsk Front. And I haven't actually finished entire mapping. I finished the frontline changes mappings already, and I think there is sufficient information that to update you because it's something very significant. If I gotta finish all the war fighting reports, it will take another 2 hours, 3 hours, so at least. And they will be so late. So anyway, there's a number of frontline changes in the Pokrovsk front. For those that are not familiar, this is Pokrovsk, Minograd, and this is the Evil Rabbit front. The Russian forces have advanced in multiple regions, and at Volodymyrivka, over in Nikhanorivka, and then there is geolocation of Russian forces north of Kusherevya, which probably confirmed the Russians' capture of all of these areas. There's south of Chevening Liman, as well as on the east of Minograd, where the Russian forces entered Balahan. So I believe this is Balahan. Yep. So and this is quite a number of frontline changes all in these areas here. Of course, this over the past 3 days, and it does give me the feeling that the Russians have launched a new phase of offensive, and this is on top of some other frontline changes around the Ukraine war situation, and it feels like they are now pushing harder. This comes at the same time where the Russian forces actually has bombarded and a lot of these electrical substations and train stations and train facilities all across Kiev, Chernihiv region. So it might suggest a possibility. I'm not saying that it is, but the Russians have now moved up the gear. The previous massive offensive that I think that is happening is somewhat happening, but it does probably because of strong Ukrainian resistance, where the Russians big offensive is facing a lot of problems, but they are still pushing. And the evil rabbit is starting to not look like a rabbit anymore after we have mapped this in. But yeah, we shall continue to monitor to see how this continues to develop. It looks like the Russians are starting to consolidate the positions in the northern regions. The front line in this sector here is very firm, and even in my limited mapping of the reporting so far, Shevchenko has been mentioned for the first time in this region. So the Russians are definitely looking to do the flanking operation. Similar situation for Hryshine and Serhievka. These are offensive that has not fully like I did map this right just now. I just draw these arrows. There's actually also frontline changes in this sector in Wudashne Kotline, and the Russians could be potentially pushing for Hryshine and Serhievka as well. And they are creating the wall here. There is this flanking operations in the north as the Russian forces try to consolidate the position. They have retaken Volodymyrivka, most of it. So the situation in the Pokrovsk front is starting to look bad again for the Ukrainians. But anyway, just quick update. I don't want to talk overkill on this, and I will see you guys in the frontline changes report on the main channel. This on the war channel. So do subscribe. Both channels is below in the icons. Click, you can subscribe to all the DPA channels, and I'll see you guys in the next update.